guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I'll do an unboxing and review of my first ever Kotobukiya Zoids model lines of kit. And this is the Zoids Shadow Fox. To be honest, I'm not a fan of Zoids, and the last time I watched a Zoid anime was when I was in high school, and that was 2004 or 2005, and I already forget the storyline of this Zoids because actually I don't watch the anime or much anime of it, and I just like some of its mecha design, like the Liger Zero, the Bison, and of course this Shadow Fox here, because this is a fox which is in black color, and I can pair this with my other black model kits such as the Death Sight, Dark Hound, and Strike Noir Gundam, and other black kits to come. Just like my black sandal here. So let's check this out. So the box art here shows a very nice design of the Shadow Fox, where it jumps from the laser, this laser things here, and we can see in the side of the box explanation of this model, but it's written in Japanese, so I cannot read this, unfortunately. So on the other side, you can see the model here of this Shadow Fox, and again, same as the box art in front. And we can see some variants. We can use a clear white here, or an orange for the eyes, and we have the mechanisms of the foot or the paws for the Shadow Fox, the rear view and the front view here, and the mechanism of this Gatling gun. To be honest, I had a hard time between choosing between the Shadow Fox and the Command Wolf AC. To be honest, I much like the Command Wolf, but I don't like the color combination of the Command Wolf, which is blue and also in white, I think. So it's a boring color. Unlike this one, it looks so sinister looking. So if we open the box here, you can see black color runners. So these are runners in no, it's not black, but metallic gray for the inner frames. We have these black colors here for the armor pieces, and we have another metallic gray inner frames. So sets of black runners again for the armors. We have black runners here again, silver pieces for the accessories, I think. We have here this polycaps, black polycaps, bluish gray for the machine gun or the Gatling gun, I think, and some gray pieces here. We have black portions for I think this is the screw type thing in the armor, and silver gray here. We have gold runners for some detailing parts, and also we have decals, sticker decals here. We have clear pieces here, so we can choose between these white pieces or white plastic clear parts, or the orange clear parts here. We have the pilot figure and the core, the Zoid core. It looks like a candy. Looks like candy. And here is the instruction manual. You can see the Shadow Fox Marking Plus version. So it comes with explanation of the kit, but it's again in Japanese, unfortunately. So these are the parts of the Zoid, but it's written in Japanese. The face of the Mecha and the runner list. Then the instructions for assembling the kit. It's in the black and white printout here. So nothing here, nothing much. And here again the color guide if you want to paint the kit by yourself, and how to place the water slide decals there, decal sheets, and of course the other poses for this Mecha model. Okay, let's build this kit out and wait for the review. So as usual, before I do the kit, let's have a quick review of the runners here available. So we have this metallic gray colored runner here for the runner D. So we have two sets of this. So this is for the inner frame, and we have runner A here. This is a black runner. We have some metallic gray colored runner again for the runner C, and we have two sets of runner B with black colored armor pieces here. We have runner E here for the armor pieces, gray or silver colored runner for the runner H for the armor details. We have the runner K here for the Gatling gun, and gray colored or silver grayish colored runner F. We have polycaps here, black polycaps. We have two sets of this detail pieces here for the armor. So this is runner J, and it says here 1987 to 2007 Tommy. Yes, I believe you can see it here. Yep. Zoids is a trademark of Tommy Company and the use under license. So this is from the Tommy, and it was transferred to Kotobukiya for manufacturing. So we have two G runners here. So these are gold pieces for the Zoid. So this is very nice. This is our nice gold sprayed paint, I think. And we have here another J runner. So we have three J runners here, and runner L for silver colored pieces here. Then we have this Zoid core, the pilot figure, and two variants of clear colored pieces for the eyes and other stuff here. And we have this decals sheets here. I think this is water slide. Okay, so let's build this shit out.